Hey guys, welcome back. Before I jump into this video, I am going to let you guys know that I am going to be posting. I'm going to try to be posting regularly. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I do have a little bit of kind of exciting news, but we'll see. I don't know. Stupid. I live within rock's throw of a train, so in a couple of my videos you guys already seen there's a train and it's loud and it's super annoying, and yeah, so but anyways, with that being said, enjoy this video and I'll see you guys at the end. Stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I've posted. Today I'm going to try and clean up this freaking disaster zone of a work area. I mean, it's just I can't do anything in here. I literally have this much space to walk, so that's what we're going to try and work on today. So not much else I can do, so we're going to close this. Turn the lights on. We're going to close the door because I got this nice heater. Keeps this place pretty warm, actually. I live in Iowa and it's like I want to say it's like 38 degrees right now, and it's nice in here, so we are going to give it a shot. And there's a lot of stuff that needs cleaned up, so maybe we'll do some sort of little time lapse, but I got to get some of this crap straightened up. We'll see where it goes. But I did get a bunch of Downstar hardware. I think it looks super good. I do need to get a cap for this, but other than that, and I did get my color fitting fuel line ends. These things are super nice. Shout out to Color Fitting and Frank over there at Downstar. The bolts are, and everything matches really well. These are just cheap eBay valve cover washers, just because I mean it was 20 bucks. Didn't know if I really wanted to do the flush mount ones, but they do look really nice. I just need to get some workspace back and hopefully get some stuff rolling. I'm planning on ordering some parts here in a couple days, so we'll see what I decide to get. I know I want to get a different throttle body. I want to get all of my gaskets from like my intake so I can finally bolt that on and be done with it. Exhaust manifold gasket. I might order some more fittings for my catch can, which I do already have the catch can installed into the engine bay. Well, not really installed, it's just kind of sitting in there. But yeah, we're gonna try and get some of this mess cleaned up. There's like I just showed you, there's like a whole 4 square feet I can walk around in here, and it's just driving me nuts. So we're gonna try and get that done, and we'll see. One of the main reasons why I want to get this cleaned up is I have a little mini fridge that I want to start putting like soda or water and stuff in, and I want to put it out here, but obviously I don't have room for it anywhere, so that's what we're working on. I got a package from Real Street, my favorite little box opener. And in case you're wondering why I haven't been filming, it is because I live in Iowa and it's snowy. So let's see what we got in this box. And this just came in, and as you can see, it's all wet. So there's the normal good old Real Street stickers. Just a few little things that I needed. I needed the ARP crank bolt, thermal intake manifold gasket, from Skunk 2. I got the Skunk 2 VTEC solenoid. It was cheap, it was like $100. And the Felpro oil pan gasket, the one that has the little, I don't know if you can see it, but it has that little like metal band in it. You can see it through the holes. But got some good parts, and hopefully this weekend I'll be dropping my motor off at a buddy's house, and he's going to degree my cams. I got the engine all loaded up. Got to take it to get the cams degreed. This ought to be fun. Let's go. Alright guys, well, it's been a few weeks since I dropped my motor off and got it back. So to finish this video up, we are going to actually install my intake manifold for the last time. I should not have to take it back off for anything. So I do have a Skunk 2 thermal intake manifold gasket. I did get the Downstar hardware. I showed you guys that earlier in this video. So yeah, I'm going to throw you guys on a quick time lapse. We're going to throw that on. We might even mess around and get this wiring harness put back on too. And that'll go on for the last time as well. So we'll see how this goes. And I did have the guy that did my cam degreeing install my ATI damper as well. So everything is basically sealed up for good now. So I got my Skunk 2 VTEC solenoid all installed. Wiring harness pretty much put back on, except for the few wires that go to the transmission. Alright, so I am probably going to go edit this video, so this is probably going to be the end of this one. In Iowa, where I reside, the temperature is bad. It is so cold outside that I don't want to go outside at all. And that's in my shed, which is like a 12 by 12 shed. I have a torpedo heater pointed at the metal door so that nothing catches on fire. And this heater and this heater pretty much all running in sync, and it's really hot in here. Like, I can keep it pretty hot in here right now. So if I have anything else I can do on the engine in the near future, I will try to work on that. But if you guys have any ideas, if you guys live in a cold climate area or anything like that, if you have any ideas on anything I can do, I'm not opposed to going outside. I just don't really want to. And I do have GoPros, so maybe we do like a Arctic junkyard, I don't know, something like that. But I know in, not this weekend, but next weekend, me and one of my buddies are going to drive down to Texas to pick up a car for him. So maybe I'll record some of that, do like some vlog stuff. It is a barn find, so it's not really Honda related or really 4-cylinder at all related. I don't know, just if you are interested, just stay tuned. That video should be my next video. Trying to think what else. I have been playing a lot of video games lately, so if you want to follow me on Twitch, I will leave my link right down below and on the screen. So I only have like 6 followers or whatever. I kind of just piss around on it. I don't have a camera that points at me yet, so it's just audio. But we play a lot of gun game. We play Forza. We play. I played Red Dead Online, but I don't know. It's kind of whack. But yeah, I guess, I mean, I'll come out here and turn wrenches on this as much as I can. Right now, with the whole shipping delays on everything still, I don't know why. So I still need to get an LSD for my transmission. I don't want to put that on until I have an LSD, because so my nature, for the people that do know me personally, I have a tendency to, like, if I get something done and it's done, if I can drive it, I'm gonna drive it, and I'll probably never do what I actually want to do to it. So yeah, because if I put this in and it runs, I'll put my stock, that header back on, and I'll drive it non-turboed, which is not the way I wanted to go with this build. I legitimately want to drive this turboed. I don't even want to attempt to not turbo it. So with that being said, I'm gonna stop rambling. I know I just kind of rambled for like 3 minutes, but if you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Biggest point, subscribe, because my subscriber count's kind of going up, and I haven't posted in like 80 days or 90 or 80 some days, and I have been gaining a few subscribers. I gained like, I think 15 or something, but I am over 200, so, which that's pretty awesome. I thank each and every one of you. But yeah, with that being said, click the subscribe button. Just help me out. Click the subscribe button, leave a like, comment anything you guys want to see on this channel, anything you guys want me to improve on this channel, anything, helpful hints, hate, I don't care. I read and try to comment back on every comment, unless unless you're just being so. But yeah, I guess I will see you guys on the next one, which the next one should be really fun. Peace.